There's a lot that you don't know about the Hellcord's engine swaps, and I continue to get a lot of questions about them. So I think it's finally time to just clear the air and tell you the truth about these engine swaps. There's a clip from my Lamborghini swap of the engine bay that just looks very clearly edited. Like, you and everyone else could clearly tell that that is an edited video of the engine bay and that's not real. And that is correct, but there is more to it. I did actually have a twin turbo V10 from my Lamborghini in my Hellcord, but that one specific video of the engine bay, I edited in such a way to be funny, kind of as a joke, because I knew a lot of people would be like, just because of this engine bay video, it's fake as fuck, and just disregard the rest of the clips. And it'll just get people talking, and it's overall a good strategy for the brand to get attention. Because why actually show the engine when I can just get a video from YouTube, edit in real quick, and get more people talking about it? Then after this, I actually blew the engine on the Lamborghini. That was not a cap. I just sound ran a little too hard, I guess, and boom, engine fucking blows up. Probably was pushing too much boost and just had a bad tune, but I don't want to do like a major engine swap again quite yet. I want to just think about it for a second. So I put the V6 back into it and just go back to the roots of the true menace in Hellcord before it was called the Hellcord. Then after a little bit, I decided, you know, time to spice up a little bit, and I throw in a Hellcat engine. And just like the Lamborghini engine, there's a lot of things that I do with my content, not even just with these engine swaps, even when I have the normal V6 in it. Most of my content is kind of a joke. Like, what I'm saying is not necessarily 100% serious most of the time. I kind of just, you know, go to like this extreme character as my content strategy, because I'm trying to be an entertainer and it's working. I'm entertaining you and other people because just posting Facebook groups about me. There's a Facebook post in a 7th generation Hellcat Accord group of someone saying some bullshit like, update on this kid, he claims to swap with a Hellcat. I think it's fake because of this and that and blah blah blah. It'd be cool to actually see this real swap. And that's just proof that the Hellcord is getting his name out there, and what I'm doing is actually working. I'm being smart about it. Now, if you do want to see my recent swap of the Hellcat engine, it's on screen right now, so click it and go watch it.